Today is 18th of July, guys. I hope you're enjoying amazing profit. What a beautiful beginning of the day, guys. We had amazing short trade on still holding on dollar Swiss franc. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market. Pretty straightforward. We were expecting this breakout, and based on the previous price action, if you look at here, this candle went upside, and you can see here the price nicely respected, beautiful, and nicely broken this wedge. And this is, you can see a symmetric triangle pattern. That was a beautiful breakout. We've been short at the Asian session and even London morning session. We have another small pullback, banking amazing profit. Let me show you guys how I analyze the entries. That was a pretty straightforward. You can see here that was the Asian session analysis, and that's what explained my trader look for this breakout. Price nicely broken, hit to the previous low level. That's what explained my trader bank some profit. Let's see if you can get another pullback. That's gonna give us the confirmation, and exactly what I did another analysis. You can see here a London morning session, and price nicely developed based on this analysis. Price came back and developed another pullback. Beautiful short trade here. Mostly traders are still holding short on dollar Swiss franc and banking amazing profit. I hope you enjoy this analysis, but if you want to see all that analysis in real time with live audio commentary support, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community, guys. Have a nice day.